In this video, you'll learn how to replace your phone number on Taskrabbit. While it's important to note that you cannot completely remove your phone number from your account, you can update it with a new one. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your account reflects the correct contact information. First, navigate to the Taskrabbit website using your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to log in. Click on the login button, usually located at the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your account credentials, including your email and password, and then click the login button to access your account. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page. You should see your profile icon or your account name. Click on the account option that appears in the drop-down menu. This action will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your profile. Once you are on the account settings page, look for the edit button, which is typically located near your current phone number. Click on the edit button to enable modifications to your account details. This step is crucial as it allows you to input your new phone number. In the phone field, delete your existing number and enter the new phone number you wish to use. Ensure that the new number is accurate, as it will be used for verification and communication purposes. After entering the new number, look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom or top of the page. Click the Save button to confirm your changes. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. It is essential to verify that the new number is displayed correctly in your account settings before you continue using the platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.